Hi, welcome to the Opamp Masterclass series. Let us go and design today the inverting amplifier with feedback. When we say inverting amplifier, we have to connect the input to the inverting terminal. This is inverting terminal, this is non-inverting terminal, this is output terminal, and this is V1 terminal, and this is V2 terminal. We said inverting means we should connect the input to the input terminal. This is V in grounded. We cannot leave blank this V2 terminal, so we have to connect it to the ground. We said this is feedback. Let us connect the feedback circuitry called RF. Now, let us take RF values 4.7 kilo ohms and R1 is equal to 470 ohms. These are taken some textbook values. These are some standard resistance values. They'll ask you to calculate what is closed loop gain. We have deduce this equation for the closed loop gain with the feedback in the last video series. Please do watch that because that has been clearly explained how we have got the closed loop gain. KCL is equal to minus, it is RF divided by R1. What is RF? It is 4.7 kilo ohms divided by 470 ohms. So 4700 divided by 470, this comes to 10. So ACL is equal to minus 10. This is the closed loop gain of an inverting amplifier with feedback. They may ask you additional question. What is the input resistance of the feedback amplifier? Input resistance is nothing but the resistance seen into the terminals. So we represent that as RIF. RIF is always something very complex formula, but I'm going to tell you very simple way to remember that. So this is there is a high resistance which is present across the terminal. So this is nothing but a very high resistance value, which is in parallel with this particular resistance R1. So R1 is always low when compared to this particular huge resistance. So in this parallel combination, any high resistance value in parallel with R1, then the resultant will be very close to this R1. I would say very close to R1. So the input resistance with feedback circuit is always close to R1. So which is nothing but equal to 470 ohms. That is the input resistance with the feedback. I hope you understand and you like this video. Please do share. Please subscribe this channel for more problem solving on the op amp circuits. Thank you very much.